Welcome to Solvetic, your channel to always learn technology easily. Below in the description, you will find useful links and commands we used in this video. Today in Solvetic, we will see how to restart Windows 11 using various methods. Chapter 1. Restart Windows from the Start menu. For this method, click on the Start menu, then click the Shutdown button. After this, click on Restart. Wait for the system to reboot. Chapter 2. Restart Windows from Security Options. To use this method, on your keyboard, press the Control keys plus Alt plus Delete. Now click on the Shutdown button, then click Restart. Just wait for the system to reboot. Chapter 3. Restart Windows from Keyboard. To reboot the system with this method, on the keyboard press the Alt plus F4 keys. Now from the drop-down menu, select Restart. Finally, click OK. The system will reboot. Chapter 4. Restart Windows from the Start context menu. To start, right-click on the Start menu. There, click on Shutdown or Sign Out, then click Restart. Wait for Windows 11 to restart. Hey, remember to subscribe Solvetic channel. Chapter 5. Restart Windows from Task Scheduler. To begin, enter the word task in the search. There, click on Task Scheduler. After this, click on File, then click on Create Task. Now enter the name of your task. Next, go to the Triggers tab. Here, click New. Once there, select the frequency of the task and time to be performed. You can apply the changes. After this, click on the Actions tab. There, click New. There, confirm that in the Action field, there is the option to start a program. Now, in the Program/Script field, click Browse. Then, go to the path you see on the screen to select the Shutdown command. Then, in the Add Arguments field, enter -R. You can apply the changes. Chapter 6. Restart Windows from Console. To start, open the terminal as administrator. There, run the restart-computer command. When you press Enter, the system will reboot. We hope it has been helpful for you. Here are links to watch more videos of your interest and subscribe to the Solvetic channel. Thank you.